What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and as always, you know the connection with this channel. I tell you guys in the intro, there's fashion, there's sports, there's life and culture. And I know, guys, that I haven't really done any long form sports related content on this channel because I am truly wanting to bring you guys the best that I can bring y'all. You know what I mean? Like 11 months in almost on this YouTube journey, and I do believe that I've gotten better. I've looked at my very first video almost 11 months ago to now. I know I've gotten a lot better, and it's shown in my subscribers and the love that you guys show me. And I appreciate the encouragement and the kind words and the tips and the tricks and all of these things that are out there that you guys are sharing within the community here on YouTube. But if you know me, as far as sports is concerned, you know I love basketball, you know I love football, but when it comes to basketball, man, my guy is LeBron. LeBron James is my favorite player of all time. He's my favorite player of all time. I've been buying his shoes since his very first year in the league. I remember my son as a baby, you know, who my son's now about to be 19 years old this year, having the, you know, little LeBrons on his feet, you know, and at that time, nobody was purchasing LeBrons. So when I seen that they was retroing some of the LeBrons this last, I would say year or so, it was some pairs that I just had to go get. And one of those pairs recently released. I mentioned it on a previous video, but guess what, man? We was able to secure a pair. Shout out to House of Hoops in South Park, man, and my guy over there. You know who you is, man. You know what I'm saying? I got a pair in hand, man, and I'm about to bring it to you right now. All right, so we got the box right here, man, and we're not gonna glaze over this. We're not gonna rush through opening this box. Let's take a look at this box real quick. As you can see, this is the first LeBron I've reviewed on this channel, isn't it, babe? The first LeBron? Yeah, I think this is the first LeBron I've ever reviewed on this channel, man. Timing couldn't be better. You can see you got the LeBron James signature on the side with that King logo right there. On the top of the box, yeah, you know, some white and purple with a purple Nike swoosh right there. On this side, you got LeBron right there on that side of the box. And guys, on this side of the box, you see these little marks in the box. If you know, you know. If you've ever had a pair of these, you know why this box is like this. And then it says Fruity Pebbles on the box, guys. Fruity Pebbles. What's the significance of the Fruity Pebbles? I'm about to tell you right now. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this box, man. And like I was saying, when it comes to Fruity Pebbles, this is a cereal that LeBron James personally has said on multiple occasions. And guys, I'm struggling to get this part open. Bear with me. It's been a minute since I struggled to open a box, gang. There we go. Thank you, babe, for the encouragement. You know, she never give up on me. The only other person in my life that's never given up on me, my wife. Let's go in order. My grandma, my aunt Dawn, and my wife. And I love my mama to death. She never gave up on me, but there's times where she was just like, you got to go. Go figure it out. You know what I'm saying? So I love mama to death. My wife, you never give up on me. And she always showing me, giving me tips and stuff. What you looking at, babe? When you turn your head, you know, as black people, we gonna turn our head. Like, you know, so you can't just be turning your head like that, gang. I'm thinking the dog had did something. Anyway, we're gonna open this box. LeBron has said that Fruity Pebbles is his favorite cereal. Tell me what's your favorite cereal in the comment section below. I personally don't eat cereal nowadays, man. In my adult life, it's probably one of those things that I haven't touched in 15 years or so. I just don't eat cereal. I don't even like milk for real. But yeah, LeBron's favorite cereal is Fruity Pebbles. As I take my time to open this box, we're gonna slide it all the way out. And boom, yes, sir. Hey, man. We didn't even read we didn't even read what was in the box, man. This is I'm tripping. I gotta read what's in the box. I'm tripping. All right, so we got the Zoom LeBron 4. The colorway is white, true red, and mean green. And this is a size 11 right here. Size 11, guys. Size 11. Tell me what you think about the LeBron 4 Fruity Pebble, man. It's just a lot to break down in this shoe. It pops out to you so quick, like right away. It's hard to miss this thing, man. It's hard to miss it. But what do y'all think? What do y'all think? So we got the LeBron 4 Fruity Pebble, man. This is a very unique shoe, man. How dope do you have to be to have a favorite cereal and then turn around and be able to re-retro one of your sneakers based off your favorite cereal? I mean, you gotta be one of the best ever to do it. And LeBron is, man. I don't care if you're a fan of Michael or you're a fan of Magic or Kareem or Kobe, whoever your favorite basketball player of all time, I think they all have their place in history. And that's a debate that a lot of people like to dig into and really, really go hard into it, man. I'm a basketball fan, and at almost 40 years old, I'll be 40 next year. I'll be 39 this year. And I had the luxury to see LeBron play in his prime, Michael play in his prime, Kobe play in his prime. I saw Magic, but I was a kid, and Magic was a lot older, so was Kareem. So I didn't really get to see those guys playing their prime. So I only really can speak to the greats that I've been able to see. And I think they all have a place in history. So we're not going to get into that debate about who's the GOAT. LeBron is just my personal favorite player of all time for various different reasons. And this shoe is pretty cool, man. Fruity Pebbles is a good cereal, man. It wasn't my favorite as a kid. Definitely a good cereal, man. But I low key like the Honey Bunches of Oats. You know what I'm saying? I like there's a few different cereals I like, man. Golden Grams, you know what I'm saying? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I don't know, man. I don't know if I have a favorite cereal, but those are just some of the ones that I like. But Fruity Pebbles is pretty cool. But this shoe has a lot of different unique features. Of course, this multicolored side going all the way around the shoe. These looks like little paint blotches. If you look at it really closely, it looks like almost like it was painted, but it does look like pieces of Fruity Pebbles cereal. That's exactly what it looks like. And that theme continues through the inside of the shoe. In the sock, it's not really a sock. Yeah, it is a sock liner, but it's kind of cut low, cut like kind of below the ankle. So not a super thick sock liner. And the inside, it does say Fruity Pebble in the inside. I don't know if you guys can see that. Maybe I'll give you a better close-up angle of it with some B-roll there. But on the inside, it does say Fruity Pebbles, and it does have it's a registered trademark of Post Foods LLC. So I'd imagine that Post Foods is getting a cut on this. You got those purple laces in there. You got that LeBron logo right there on the tongue behind that strap. And you got that multicolored bottom. Again, just symbolizing the Fruity Pebbles cereal, just some of the main colors that you see in the cereal. But just overall, this is a very unique shoe, very dope shoe. You got the white Nike swoosh right there. Another white Nike swoosh right there on the top. And in the back, on the heel tab, it does say family size. Simulate, I would imagine this is kind of like a family size box of cereal, right? Everybody wanted that family size box. If you went to the store with your mom and you seen the little boy box, you always ask for the bigger box. Y'all know that's a fact, bro. Y'all always ask for the bigger box. And that's what this shoe is, man. It's a big time family pack right here, man. That's what I say. LeBron's a family man, got two children and a wife. So let's grab the second shoe out and let's go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison. All right, so we're gonna grab the second shoe out real quick and do a side-by-side comparison on what I like to call the quality control segment here on the Mud Talk Radio channel. I was about to say the Muddy Talk Radio channel, the Mud Talk Radio. Anyway, gang, man, as I'm looking at this shoe, the way it's constructed, man, and the materials that are on this shoe, you got a mix of leather and a few other materials on here. Nothing really to look out for too crazy, man. This is a well-constructed shoe. Again, sock liner is in the inside. A lot of details, man. You even got Fruity Pebbles on the inside of the tongue as well, man. This is a fire shoe, man. This is a fire shoe. I don't even know if this is a shoe that I would personally want to wear. I would just want to keep it in the box, put it up there with my LeBron bobblehead toy and my LeBron's Witty box and all my LeBron stuff that I got, and just add it to that, man, as a part of the collection and my memorabilia when it comes to one of the greatest players and my favorite player of all time. But Nike did a really good job on this shoe. For a retail price point of $250 though, do you think this shoe was worth $250? That's the big question. You know, when I went to House of Hoops and my homie was like, yo, them joints $250 though. I'm like, yeah, they $250 because it's LeBron James and it's a retro shoe. And he knows that a lot of people are going to grab these for keepsake reasons and not to like resell or anything like that. So I think the $250 was worth it. I would pay it over again if I had to. I like the black pair. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the black pair. I think I'm still gonna revisit that down the line, but this is a very, very dope shoe, and Nike did a great job as far as quality control. No issues with this sneaker. So before we get out of here, a few quick notes. I told you guys the retail price point on this shoe was $250. When the sneaker was released, I did check on the secondary market, and it was up just a tad bit at like around $307 for my personal size. But I will say this, guys, if you're interested in grabbing this shoe, I would go ahead and get it, especially if you're a basketball fan, you're a LeBron fan. Get this shoe and put it in your collection, man. We're talking about one of the best players of all time, And I don't think you'll see this specific shoe, the LeBron 4, in a Fruity Pebble colorway being released again. I really don't see it happening, man. So I'm happy I was able to get this shoe in hand and bring it to the channel. When it comes to fashion and styling, this is a shoe, man, I personally wouldn't even wear. I wouldn't even hoop in it, man. It's a little heavy for me. LeBron has done a better job of becoming, I don't even know if it's LeBron himself, but maybe Nike has done a better job of crafting the sneakers and making them lighter. Because when you're playing hoops, man, you don't want a heavy shoe. You don't want a bulky shoe. But I will say that his shoes are great when it comes to ankle protection and things of that nature, because LeBron rarely ever gets hurt. I mean, the guy's never had a serious injury, so I think that his sneakers have a lot to do with that. But also the way he takes care of his body and the way he trains, so let's not downplay that either. But I will say this, man, I got to give you a rating before I get out of here. My rating for the LeBron 4 Fruity Pebble, man. And y'all know I'm kind of biased, man, so this might rub some people the wrong way. I'm going 9 out of 10, man, for the LeBron 4 Fruity Pebble, just because LeBron is my guy, gang. Like, if you think 9 out of 10 is too high, you probably hate LeBron, and you probably never bought none of his shoes. And you're gonna try to tell me how Jordan is better than LeBron, and LeBron's a crybaby. But take the personal stuff out of it. Let me have my moment. LeBron is my favorite player, and I'm rating this shoe 9 out of 10 right here on the Mud Talk Radio channel. Drop it in the comment section below what you think about that, man. I'm open for positive conversation and debate. Positive, guys, positive. You can say what you want, but I ain't gonna always respond. But if it's positive, we can talk. You know what I'm saying? But as always, man, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.